All right. How about that big one right there on top?
On top. This one?
That one.
The one with the arrows on it?
Yeah, the one with the arrows pointing the wrong direction.
Number 8 again.
Yeah.
Well packed. Passed the Tatro drop test.
It did.
Yep. What a foam in that thing. What kind of box is that? Trying to cut me. That's a cut down box.
Yeah.
That is not foam. That is
A lot of shredded paper.
a fucking big guy. Amazing shredding department.
Damn it.
That's a lot of mess. Looks good though, didn't it?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
Genuine Harley box.
1981 headlight halogen.
What?
Original box.
Got some more genuine boxes.
Screaming Turd. This is before Screaming Turd. It's called Eagle Iron.
Wow.
That's 80s Taiwan Harley shit.
All right.
See, when Harley took over Harley from AMF, they had to make some money. So they went over to Taiwan, said, send us all that crap that everybody else is using, put it in our box and we'll sell it.
Oh.
So it's the same shit that everybody else was selling, but it's got Harley.
Different box.
It's got Harley label on it, though. It's not sufficient to be part. It was a lot cheaper too. Then you go buy the real parts from Harley. You know what they did, don't you?
Jack the price up.
They sell you the full line part. They give you the crappy Taiwan part.
Yep.
That's what they do. That's the same thing. Yeah, that's it. We got 2 things?
Looks like you got 3.
Oh, I don't know what that is yet. That's the paper. Alright, so somebody stole my knife. So this appears to be a halogen headlight for an FLH. Made in what?
81?
No.
I don't know.
Right there on my knife.
I can't see that.
That's why you got the camera.
86?
96.
96.
12. That'd be December.
Yeah.
96. For your 81 part.
Huh.
81A. It's been modified once. So this box looks like it's from the 80s, but it's actually only from the 90s.
Yeah.
What year is this? So this box is only 30 years old.
Yeah.
So it appears to be a brand new 30-year-old headlight for a 50-year-old Harley.
Right on.
Narrows it down.
Yeah.
Appears to be new.
Appears to be brand new.
Appears to be brand new. Older than most of my customers, though.
Yeah.
If you want to scratch the chrome, we want to cut the plastic away, the tape. The tape doesn't like cutting. The plastic does. There we go. Sharp edges too. You can tell it's old by the corrosion on the galvanized finish.
Yeah.
I've never seen these galvanized before. They're always usually black, powder coated black. But just got some galvium crap in there. And they were getting really cheap in '96, I see.
Yep.
Rubber still is rubber. Who do you think made the bulb?
I don't know.
American or Italian? What's Spanish?
You want to say Chinese.
No. 96?
Taiwan.
Taiwan was in like China, you know. Tape. sitting around on the shelf.
What happened?
Imperfection. And dropped too. Probably used. Took a hit. Here's a Bosch.
So where is that made?
I don't know. Germany? Yep, Germany.
Oh yeah.
It's full of Germany. And it's motorcycle.
Yes.
Not that automotive shit they sell you now that claims a motorcycle. Yeah, so it was it took a hit right there.
Yeah.
They yanked it out, dropped it on the floor, took out the brand new one that was in the package, stuck it in the bike, put this back in the box, threw this back on the shelf, and some dumbass bought it 30 years later
Yeah.
as new.
Hmm.
Got used.
That's upsetting.
And they didn't give me the bulb either. There's the bulb.
There's a bulb.
So we only got half the units being new. And this is the used one here. You can see it's old.
Oh yeah.
Down. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, probably is, but I don't see. It's only been used once. This is not a brand new bike, obviously. They just don't ride behind rock trucks.
Yeah.
With your Harley. So yeah, that's what happened here. Which one of these line up with the appropriate mark? This is the top, and this is the bottom. So they should go right like this. Problem is it doesn't line up with anything right there. So we'll take this off because it's wrong. Oh, excuse me, that's backwards. This is the bottom. It's where the screw goes, the holes will bezel down.
Yeah.
I was wrong about that. It goes like this. See?
There you go.
And then the marks should line up. See the marks?
Yep.
They line up now. Look at that.
Beautiful.
It's like it's made for a motorcycle and everything. It's hard to believe.
Hard to
It's
believe.
made for a motorcycle. Then we have this little fancy thing. So you got to figure out where this is going to go. See the marks? So this is the wide distance. That's the wide distance. It looks like it lines up.
Fancy, fancy.
These are easy sheet metal screws that go in here on these modern ones, which we didn't get because it's used.
Yeah.
That's how it's supposed to go together. This is all brand new. Yep. Tape. So see this little slot right here?
Yeah.
That goes up through your headlight thing like that. Hooks down, drops down, and one screw goes right here.
Just like that.
The rubber holds it in, see? The rubber to hold it though is a problem. Get the shirt out of there helps.
Yeah.
There it goes. There, that's sealed. Of course we're missing a screw that goes in there too, which is another sheet metal screw. They cheated us out of some of the parts that we need.
Yeah.
Like that. That was disappointing. H4 bulb. Rubber. Probably a genuine halogen one with a made in Germany on it. Yeah. Doesn't have Harley written on it.
It says Bosch.
It's Bosch though. So
Bosch. Yeah.
genuine. See, if you're restoring your motorcycle, you want this.
Yep.
So I'm gonna pay probably $100 for that in another 50 years.
Probably.
Because it'll be a 100-year-old piece of rubber.
Yep. You just need to hold on to it for another 50 years and.
Well, it's broken, so I can either do that or I can put it on my bike and use it.
Oh yeah.
I think I already got 3 or 4 used ones to put on my bike. So. It's still kind of new, just not new.
Right.
So now it just comes down to how much I paid for it. Go back and complain to the customer and return it or keep it.
Yeah.
That's what it comes down to. All right, we'll be back.